Back to the channel. I'm Erica. In today's video I have a plaid collection haul. I signed up for their plaid ambassadors and I'm so excited. I got my first free box and it's so exciting because I love their products just so much. So I'm going to show you the Mod Podge products first. This is the Mod Podge Outdoor. I've never used it, but oh my goodness, it just, I can't wait because I know that people have done like paper crafts for like outside using this stuff, so it's exciting. I can't wait to try it out. And then there's this one, which is the Satin Finish. Oh my goodness, I feel like this is gonna be so great for like making miniature cookies. Not edible, of course, but I've never used this, but it's so exciting. There's this one, which is the hard coat. That is so cool. I don't know anything about this one. I've never heard of this one, but it's so exciting. Like, I can't wait to use this, and I'm going to use like all of this stuff in this video. You'll see. And then there's this one, which is the gloss. I think everybody's pretty much used the gloss before. And I'm pretty sure everybody's used the matte too, but they are still great to have in your crafting section in your craft room or wherever you craft at. I've never used this before, but this is really cool. It's a 2-in-1 smoothing tool by Mod Podge and Plaid. This seems like what it does, which is really cool. So I feel like this could be even really good for like layering down wallpaper for the dollhouses and stuff. I will definitely have to test that out. Now, they sent me 2 packages of paintbrushes. This one is the flat brush set. To me, all paintbrushes are paintbrushes, and I go through paintbrushes a lot. So this is exciting. I get to try these out, and I'm so excited. And these ones, I feel like I would probably use these ones. These ones are called glass painting brushes. Wow, I've never done glass painting before, but I'm pretty sure I would just use these for like, you know, I'm trying to think of what I was gonna call it. Shading. Use these for shading with chalk pastels. So I will try those out. Now I got a box full of paint, so I'm going to try and get them all organized so I can show you one by one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the apple barrel ones. Now this one is the bright yellow. So pretty. It's so yellow. Like, look how yellow that is. It's beautiful. It's like a school bus. Now this one, it came kind of spilled, but that's okay. It's the flag red. And I actually have quite a few of these in my collection already, but I just gotta clean this up because it's a mess. But it's a beautiful red too. And it's also by Apple Barrel. This one I use a lot, and I need to like start buying like big bottles like this size for the white because I'm always using it. And same thing with the black. I always use this one too. And it's by Apple Barrel. And this bright blue. This one is a beautiful shade of blue. But the 2 paint colors that I typically buy the most are these 2. I don't know why. It's just like always those 2 are always the 2 that I would buy the most. Now for the next ones. Now I actually have one of these Ceramicoat Delta. And it's also a Plaid product too, but I actually have got this at Hobby Lobby before, but I got it in the Spice color, I believe it's called, and I've used it many times for like my sandcastle that I did with the collab video. And yeah, so now I have this one to try out too. And the fun thing about this is that it's super pretty. I love this color. Like, it's so pretty. I'm pretty sure you could put this like on plates and stuff. I'm not really sure, but I think you can. But it's a beautiful green, and it's called Lime Sorbet. I love sorbet, and I love lime. Okay, and there's this one, which is the Lost Lagoon. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. I love it. And then there's this pretty yellow. It's called Crocus Yellow. I don't know if I said that right, but it's beautiful too. Like, it's so pretty. It kind of looks like an egg yolk. And then there's this pretty pink. I love this pink. It's called Salmon. Oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. Look at that, it's so gorgeous. Like, so exciting. Okay. Oh, and then there's this blue one, and this one is Paradise. Oh my goodness, like, these are gonna be so beautiful, especially during like Easter. So for the next ones, like I said, I'm trying to keep them all organized. I believe these ones, yeah, these ones are the metallic ones. This one is called the Brushed Metal. I've actually haven't used this one by folk art before. I've used the other metal ones, but I've never used the brush one, because none of my bottles say brush on it, but it's beautiful. I can't wait to use this. You can never have too much silver or any metallics, really. You can never have too much. And this one is, oh, it's brushed gold. Duh, Erica. And it's super pretty too. Oh, I like that. That's really pretty. It kind of reminds me of like their aged gold almost. And I'm trying to keep them all organized, like with the multi-surfaces and stuff. So, okay, so this one is a multi-surface and it is in bright green. So this is gonna be perfect for like Christmas and St. Patrick's Day. That's beautiful. This one is also a multi-surfaced, and this one is called, ooh, Cayman Blue. And this one is called Cayman Blue, and it's also a multi-surface by Folk Art. It's beautiful. That is so gorgeous. And then there's this other one too. This one is called the Moon Yellow. And then there's this one which is the Moon Yellow by Folk Art multi-surface paint. It's beautiful. And this one's a multi-surface one too, and it's an orange color. It's beautiful too, and it's called the Vivid Orange. And we have, oh, this one's a multi-surface too. It got a little red paint on it, but that's okay. This one is called the White Lavender. So pretty, I love it. It's gorgeous. And then the other folk art paints, this one is the only one with like the big font, but it's called Daybreak. Ooh, Daybreak. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my goodness, that is really pretty. I love this. This is like perfect for like a nursery color for my dolls. Oh my goodness, I love it. And then we have this one, which is a matte. Is this one a matte too? Okay, well, I guess not. This one is a matte finish, and it is called Aqua. Ooh. I feel so spoiled with all these beautiful paints and stuff. Thank you so much, Plaid, for sending me all of this. Like, oh my goodness, I love your products. Like, so much. I've been buying them for years. And this one is also matte, and it is in the color Ocean Cruise. Oh! Oh my goodness, hold on. Maybe it doesn't want me to see. It doesn't want me to see it. Oh my goodness. It doesn't want me to show you guys. It's like, no, I'm too pretty. I don't want you to see me. That is a beautiful shade of blue. That is beautiful. I love it. And then there's this one, which is apple red, and is beautiful, and it is a trusted quality folk art, and I love apple red. Now, Plaid Company, okay? The thing about this is that I have one shade of red that I absolutely love of yours, but you can never buy it singly, and I believe it's called the Cardinal Crimson or the Crimson Cardinal. It's like either one of those two words, and like either order. But it's like a beautiful shade of red, and it's got like a pinky hue to it, and I can never find it in like a single bottle. You always have to like buy the ones with like, I think 12 of them in there, and it's like, I just want that one color. So this one is actually kind of close to that color, so thank you so much. But definitely you should totally put that one bottle color of the Cardinal Crimson or the Crimson Cardinal red color sold separately. You totally should, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people would eat that up. Well, not eat it up, but you know, like they would buy like a lot of it, because that color is like so gorgeous. So thank you so much, Plaid, for sending me all of these wonderful goodies, and I'm going to be doing some crafts in this video. Before I forget to show you guys, Plaid also sent me this beautiful folk art paint, and it is in the seashell pink. It's so gorgeous. Look how beautiful that pink shade is. Like, I almost forgot about it because it was like right beside me. But I can't wait to start crafting with all of this. So stay tuned. Thank you, Plaid, for sending me all of these amazing products. I had a lot of fun using them, trying out things that I've never used before, and trying out things that I have used before, and they all turned out so great. I tried a lot of the satin Mod Podge on some of these canvases. The pumpkin is 3D because I used hot glue, and so is this mason jar. But thank you so much, Plaid. I absolutely love this, especially the rolly tool. Bye!